You'll take 10 multiple choice quizzes during the semester. The quizzes are all scheduled ahead of time. You'll see them listed in the course schedule, and they will ask you about the readings associated with the weekly topic. And so when you want to take a quiz, you will go to the course materials by topic. So let's say for quiz number 1 in the first week, you go to course materials by topic. There's not a quiz on introduction to the course, but on overview of U.S. immigration. You go in here, you see that you're assigned to read something called 50 Years of New Immigration, to read overview slides, and to read an article by the author called Shaw Taylor. Post to the discussion board, and then take quiz number 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. That's always going to be your deadline for the quizzes. Our weeks run from Sunday through Saturday, so you have to finish your quiz by Saturday. Once the clock rolls over to midnight, Saturday is over, and then you're not going to be able to take the quiz for credit. So the link is always here in the topical area folder. Right? Some of your other work you'll do in groups in your groups area, but quizzes are always in the topical area for what you're doing that week. And it says that this quiz covers 2 readings, 50 Years of New Immigration and Shaw Taylor. So you'll click on the quiz. It will ask you to click begin when you're ready. It lets you know that you can take it 2 times and that your highest grade will be counted. It lets you know the due date. Once you begin the quiz, you should finish it, but it's not timed in any way. It's always a good idea to save answers as you're working along. Again, multiple choice style questions. It lets you know that you have to choose an answer, and that once you move to the next question, you're not going to be able to come back and change this one. It'll automatically do some saving for you, but once you've chosen an answer, you have to go ahead and click the submit for that. It's cut off on the screen here. And when you're all done, you will submit the quiz and see your grade. You can again go to My Grades, click that link, and see the grade that got registered.